Today I'm unboxing the Pelonis 30-inch tower fan. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The packaging is sturdy and well organized. First impression, sleek, modern and very slim. I love the clean white finish. Matches any decor. It's surprisingly lightweight for its size. Setting it up is super simple, just plug and play. Here's the control panel. 3 speed settings. Low, medium and high. Let's test them out. On low, it's whisper quiet. Perfect for bedrooms. Medium gives a gentle breeze, still quiet. High speed really moves air. Great for hot days. Now, let's try the oscillation feature. It rotates smoothly, covering a wide 60-degree angle. This boosts airflow across the entire room. The slim design fits neatly in my living room corner. No bulky base, ideal for apartments or offices. Space saving without sacrificing air circulation. Let's check the auto off timer function. Set it for a few hours. Great for nighttime use, no worrying about turning it off while you sleep. I appreciate the customizable cooling options. Quiet operation means no sleep disruption. Perfect for home offices, no noisy distractions. Pelonis offers a 1-year manufacturer warranty. That gives me confidence in its quality. Overall, I'm impressed with its performance. If you want comfort and convenience, consider this fan. Homeowners, apartment dwellers, office workers, this suits all. Ready to upgrade your cooling? Check the link below. Don't miss out on undisturbed comfort this summer. Thanks for watching my honest review and unboxing. Subscribe for more product recommendations. See you in the next video. Can this fan cool my room in just 60 seconds? Let's put the Dreo Tower fan to the test. Here's my bedroom, stuffy, hot and uncomfortable. I'm setting a timer for 1 minute. Turning on the Dreo Tower fan. Max speed 90-degree oscillation. Feel that? Powerful airflow up to 25 foot. It's so quiet, even on high speed. No annoying noises, just soothing, cool air. Let's check the airflow across the room. Paper test, watch it flutter from 10 feet away. Still silent, perfect for light sleepers like me. Timer ticking, just 30 seconds left. Switching to sleep mode, display auto off, even quieter. I can finally relax without distractions. Time's up. Let's compare before and after. Room feels instantly fresher, cooler, more comfortable. No sweat, no stuffiness, just pure comfort. Look at my face, total relief and surprise. Cleanup? Easy, removable rear grille, safe bladeless design. Pinch-proof grills and circuit protection for a peace of mind. Compact and portable, carry it anywhere with the hidden handle. Remote control stores right in the fan. Choose from 4 speeds and 4 modes. Customize your breeze. Set the 8-hour timer for worry-free nights. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. Works great with your AC for extra savings. No more restless nights, just cool, quiet sleep. Ready for rapid cooling? Take the Dreo challenge. Click the link now to upgrade your comfort. Imagine controlling your fan with just your voice, Alexa, Google, Siri. Your wish is its command. Meet the Govee Life 42-inch Smart Tower Fan. Slide to adjust wind speed, no buttons needed. 12 speeds, 5 modes. Customize your perfect breeze. Feel a powerful 26-foot size wind from across the room. 150-degree oscillation cools every corner instantly. Tech-savvy design, sleek lines, digital display. Set the mood with 20+ RGB ambient lights. Ultra-quiet operation, only 27 dB. Sleep undisturbed, add essential oils for relaxing aromatherapy nights. Pair with Govee Life thermohygrometer for smart cooling. Automatically adjusts speed for perfect comfort. App control. Schedule, customize, monitor remotely. ETL certified. Safety meets innovation. Removable grill and impeller wheel, easy to clean. No more dust buildup, fresh air year-round. 24-hour timer. Never worry about turning it off. If it shuts down at night, check the app. Modern slide control, effortless wind adjustment. Ideal for bedrooms, offices, living rooms. Light sleepers rejoice, whisper quiet cooling. Home office workers stay cool and focused. Smart home users enjoy seamless integration. Compatible with Alexa, Google, Siri, IFTTT, Matter. Not compatible with 5G Wi-Fi? Check your settings. Customize airflow, lighting, and schedule with ease. Upgrade your cooling experience. Choose Govi Life. Ready for smarter, quieter, cooler living? Tap the link now. Reimagine comfort at home. Ever tried sleeping next to a jet engine? Me neither, but some fans come close. Meet the Levoit Tower fan, where silence meets innovation. Just 28 dB, whisper quiet. Even your dreams won't notice. Watch this. No blades, no worries. Safe for kids and pets. Curved air inlet. Multi-blade design. Feels like a natural breeze. Ready for a breeze that covers your whole room. 25 far as wind speed. 90-degree oscillation. Curtain-like airflow. Big living room, office, bedroom. This fan's got you covered. Let's talk smart. Temperature sensor inside. Fan adjusts speed automatically. No more freezing or sweating. Auto mode, room gets warm. Fan speeds up instantly. Turbo mode, need quick cooling. Maximum velocity, instant relief. Advanced sleep mode, display and sound vanish in 5 seconds. First hour, steady breeze, no oscillation. Just comfort. After 1 hour, gentle oscillation, speed drops, no chills. Fan keeps adjusting to room temperature all night. Normal mode, set your perfect breeze, simple, effective. 5 speed settings, from soft whisper to refreshing gust. Remote control included. Change settings from your bed. 12-hour timer, set it, forget it, sleep peacefully. Top panel is crystal clear. Easy to use day or night. Cleaning? Detachable blades and back cover, done in minutes. Setup tip, align body before tightening base nut. No wobble. Troubleshooting? It's simple. Panel wakes with a double tap. Fan stops. Check the timer. Restart in seconds. Oscillation starts. That's advanced sleep mode working for you. Say goodbye to noisy, old-fashioned fans forever. Levoit delivers tailored comfort for every space. Light sleepers, homeowners, office workers. Your dream fan awaits. Upgrade your air. Upgrade your life. Ready to feel the breeze? Tap to order now. Looking for a cool, safe and smart tower fan? Meet the Uthvi Oscillating Tower Fan, your new comfort upgrade. First reason, safety comes first for families and pets. Bladeless design keeps curious fingers and paws protected. ETL certified and equipped with a fused safety plug. Second reason, powerful cooling with wide oscillation. Enjoy fast, even airflow in every corner of your room. Accelerates air circulation and works great with AC. Third reason, effortless control and customization. Remote lets you adjust speed, mode and timer from bed. Choose between normal, natural or sleep wind modes. Set the 7.5-hour timer. No more waking up to turn off. Auto screen off keeps your bedroom dark for restful sleep. Ultra quiet operation at just 25 dB for peaceful nights. Slim, space-saving design fits anywhere. Bedroom, office, dorm. Lightweight with a built-in handle for easy moving. Perfect for apartments, family homes, and workspaces. No more bulky fans taking up precious floor space. Energy-saving features help lower your cooling bills. Wide 120-degree oscillation covers large rooms with ease. Remote works up to 28 feet. Control from your couch. Enjoy customizable comfort all summer long. Upgrade your cooling experience with smart features. Say goodbye to noisy, outdated fans forever. Ready for a safer, quieter, and cooler home? Click to add the Utfai Tower fan to your cart now. Follow for more smart product reviews and tips. Share this video with friends who need better cooling. Don't wait, make your space cooler and safer today. Experience the difference with Utfi's innovative tower fan. Your comfort is just one click away. Shop now.